Hello, Misha. What you doing? You a good girl? Yes, look how pretty you are. Look like a Disney character. Yeah, so Misha and Nikolai are both doing very well. You a good girl? They're eating okay and voiding normally, and they're happy kitties. You're gonna go bother him, huh? Nikolai! Come on, Nikolai. Come over here. Come over here. Hello. Here's my boy. Saddest cry in the world. Yeah, saddest kitty cry. Who's a good boy? That Nikolai. Yeah. He's a good boy. So they're doing okay. Watching the birds. And they seem happy enough. I mean, they're boarding, but you know, they're happy kitties, so don't worry about them. Misha, you're so pretty. Yeah.